I am taking you to a buy and build immediately estate right here in the city of Enugu State. This estate has CFO. You wouldn't want to miss grabbing a plot or two from here. Join me as I drive down to this property. We are right here in CRUXSTONE estate. I told you that you're going to love this estate. This is actually a mini estate. All right, people are building and people are living around as well. Okay, it has CFO, situated in New GRA, that is Transekulu Phase 6. CRUXSTONE estate is directly opposite Heritage Estate, owned and managed by Enugu State Housing. CRUXSTONE Estate is measured 480 square meters and 500 square meters. You can erect bungalow here, just like this person, and you can also erect duplex, just like that person. So, this is a peaceful environment that when you live in, you will be very, very comfortable. Call or WhatsApp me for further information about here. Call me on 0803 743 5005. I am your land director, Love It Aneke. See you soon.